how to connect a Apify with a Claude AI. Okay, we're going to make a tutorial step by step, okay? And how to connect. Okay, we're going to the Claude point AI and go to your account, okay? And go to the here, customize, go to the customize, or in your this, okay, in your account, go to the settings, okay, and you go to the connectors, or you go to the customize connectors and go to the plus aquí, okay, and go to the browse connectors, okay, and here you put Apify. You go to the plus icon and you download and you connect the Apify with a Claude AI. Bye bye.